Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create a simple tutorial on printing values in Python with code examples. We'll cover the basic print function and also touch upon formatted string literals, f-strings, for more complex output. The print function is the most straightforward way to display values in Python. It can be used to print strings, numbers, variables, and even a combination of them. You can concatenate strings and variables using the plus operator to create a more complex output. Python 3.6 introduced f-strings, a concise and convenient way to embed expressions inside string literals. This allows you to easily format and print variables directly within a string. If you are working with floating point numbers, you can control the precision using the point2f syntax, where 2 is the number of decimal places. For large numbers, you can use commas as a thousands separator. You can print multiple values in a single print statement by separating them with commas. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of printing values in Python using the print function. We explored concatenation, formatted string literals, f-strings, and specific formatting options for numeric values. With these techniques, you can create clear and customized output in your Python programs. ChatGPT. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Printing Values in Python. Introduction. Printing values is a fundamental aspect of programming that allows developers to display information to the user or debug their code. In Python, the print function is commonly used for this purpose. This tutorial will guide you through various ways to print values in Python with code examples. The simplest use of the print function is to display a string. This code will output. You can print the values of variables by passing them as arguments to the print function. This code will output. You can concatenate strings within the print function using the plus operator. This code will output. Use formatted strings, f-strings, to embed variables directly into a string. This code will output. Print multiple values separated by commas. This code will output. Change the default new line character at the end of each print statement. This code will output. Use escape characters to format the output. This code will output. Conclusion. Printing values in Python is a fundamental skill for any programmer. The print function offers various options for formatting output, making it versatile for different scenarios. Whether you are displaying simple strings or complex data, understanding how to use print effectively is crucial for Python development. ChatGPT.